walking along the shore, he sees a piece of, well, a seagull walking along the side of the fence. Ah, it's a seagull!
Let's move.
What do you want?
If I don't blink, it can't see me.
Are you ridiculous? I can see you.
It doesn't see me still.
The seagull gave a very perplexed look at the turtle, who was undoubtedly very peculiar.
I'm peculiar.
Indeed he was. The very first of his kind, in fact. Offshore, just off the island, he deserted his parents by swimming away on his 16th birthday.
Swim faster.
But he lost his way, and now he has no idea where he has gone.
No idea.
So, you're from around these parts?
Maybe it sees me.
Well, didn't know what to do with the turtle, so he asked him again. I said, are you from around these parts?
Yes, I am.
You look lost. Maybe you should come over to my place and have some food.
Well, food.
Kidding? All my seagulls! Attack this outsider! The seagulls tried to scare off this preposterous little tortoise. But the tortoise was too slow.
Faster.
He could not move an inch because he was so scared. And even if he could move, he wouldn't be able to because his legs were so weak from the trauma of the frightened and dangerous aura of the seagull. We have you surrounded. Now what you gonna do? The seagulls were perplexed because the turtle had broken out into an array of kicks and punches in the art of the tortoise martial arts. They were frightened and also very confused. What the crap did he just do? Oh my God, we gotta get back here!
Well, I'm skilled in the art of tattoo.
And he was. In fact, he was a 50th and 1/3 and 3/4 degree of black belt, plus 2 3/5 of a quarter green, and 5 3/4 times 1.7 millimeter seconds of blue belt. This had taken him 5.8 years to completely master in 5 inches of time.
Yes, sir.
His master was proud of him.
I am very proud of my part one.
Indeed he was. Thank you for watching, or should we say, listening to The Seagull and the Tortoise, Part 1.
Part 1.
Goodbye! They grabbed the tortoise and threw him inside.